Lovely, isn't it?
It's okay.
Well, but you've been staring at it for 5 minutes.
I spend hours looking in a mirror, but it doesn't mean I love what I see.
I'm sorry. I thought you were interested in...
You were wrong. Billy?
Marty, I got something to ask you.
Really?
Yeah. And you're not going anywhere till you give me a straight answer. Are you ready to do some serious shopping?
I'm way ahead of you on that one, Billy boy. I've already had my eye on something.
What about this?
No. Andrew and Cassie probably never touch anything but ambrosia.
What's that?
The nectar of the gods.
Oh, come on, Marty. Andrew and Cassie are very good people, but don't you think that's taking it a little too far? Of course, it was pretty cool of them to invite you to their wedding.
What's so cool about that?
Well, it just shows that all that bad stuff that was flying around last summer, it's all flown out. And everything's back to normal.
Oh, yeah, normal as in me being alone and Andrew and Cassie making cow eyes at one another.
Oh, come on, Marty. You sat with them at the Christmas party and everything seemed pretty cool. Why are you so hurt all of a sudden?
I'm not.
Well, you're sure coming off that way.
I'm fine, all right? So just drop it.
It's gone. And so am I. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Listen, Marty. What are you doing, Marty?
What am I doing? I'm doing what you are. Shopping.
You mean shoplifting?
Billy, no. You're shoplifting.
Quit playing around, Marty, all right? What else do you call this?
Perfect gift?
Cut it out.
I was gonna pay for it anyway.
When? In your next lifetime? Let's see what other bargains you managed to pick up. Let me guess. You lost the receipt?
Take this stupid scarf. Ugly anyway.
I don't get it, Marty. You could probably buy this store, let alone the stuff in it. Why do you have to steal things?
They're trophies. Ripping things off gives me a thrill you wouldn't believe. Because I call the shots, I can make it happen. And in a world full of Andrew Carpenters and suede fruits who don't care what I want, at least I can get my way with stupid scarves.
I just wish you'd quit trying to wreck your life. Because not only is it sad and stupid, but it's also becoming quite boring.
But what if I just killed myself, huh? Want to spice things up a little bit?
Billy, sorry I'm late. Thought you'd be down in sporting goods.
No, he's up here working out with me.
Rick, Marty, Rick.
Hi. You almost ready to go? Game starts in a half hour.
Yeah, all I gotta do is find a wedding gift for Reverend Carpenter. And pay for it.
I'm sure your friends will be very happy with this.
I hope so. Thanks. It's getting late, Rick. Let's do it.
Do what? Oh, or is that secret stuff?
Marty.
So, Ricky, how did you know our fair-haired boy?
We just kind of bumped into each other on Christmas Eve. My name's Rick, not Ricky.
Oh, sorry. Tell me, Rick, did you and Billy give each other sports equipment on Christmas Day, or did you give each other more than that?
Marty, are you crazy talking like this? Rick and I are just friends.
So far.
Yeah, and even if it was something, why would you have to be such a creep about it? I thought we were friends.
Haven't you heard? I don't have any friends.
I can see why.
No, Billy, wait. I'm sorry. I guess I'm just acting like a jerk for a change. Friend's really nice. Truth is, that's probably why I went off on you like that.
You know, Marty, I don't get what's going on with you.
I don't either. Not really. I see people having fun or trying to be nice to me, and this black cloud comes over my head.
Maybe you should talk to somebody.
No. All I need is a couple of friends.
I thought you said you didn't have any.
I have you, don't I?
Yeah. See you around.